branded by Valley Girl, mga madam. Code is suot. 750 code ng suot. Ha, Valley Girl yan, mga mi. Ang ganda. Valley Girl, zipper back, size 10, medium, semi-large. Maluwag siya sa akin, ha. Perfect to sa 30-31 waistline, mga madam. Okay. Ayan. Super nice. Ganda. Okay, next one is this one. Okay, mga magpapabinyag, ito na talaga. Ang ganda nito. Di kayo papagalitan ni Father. Okay, this one is branded by Faithful the brand, size medium on tag. Pero kasi parang smacking yung style niya ni mga madam. Okay, pag-garter yun dito, full smack yung bewang, double lining, super nice, ang ganda. Okay, carry siya small, medium, large mga madam. Ganun siya ka-flexible. Okay, kasi pagka full smack talaga, medyo maganda yan. Okay, kasi kahit anong size mo pwede. Ayan, small, medium, large, pero medium on tag, branded by Faithful the brand. Look at the quality. This one is double lining, ha. Code ng white, 690. White, 690. White for 690. Wala akong maxi, mahal. Wala tayong maxi, ha. No maxi. Okay, next one is, nasa laot pa ang maxi natin, mga madam. Ang hirap ng stocks. Shit, ang ganda nito. Okay, next is this one. Uy, bunt. Okay, this one is Target. Linen, size 8 hanggang medium. Ito, parang maxi to, midi. Okay, this one is medium. Small, medium. Side zipper, mahal. Tingnan nyo yung quality, ha. Smacking ang likod. Size 8. Okay, small, medium, 690. 690 with belt. Ito, ang ganda. Code ako ng square. Small, medium, code is square. Code ng square. Smacking yung likod, mga madam. Code ng square. Small, medium, size 8 on tag. Code ng square. Excuse me. Ito rin, ang ganda. Okay, kaya lang this one is large on tag. Super nice nito, mga madam. Tingnan nyo. Eyelet siya, pero double lining, mga madam, ha. Hindi kita ang katawan. Okay, large XL zipper back padal cut, double lining eyelet. Okay, double line. Ganda. Ang laki lang. Zipper back, large XL, code is eyelet 690. Eyelet 690. Okay, eyelet, 690 pesos. White, Kian, yours na to si White. Ang ganda-ganda nito, Kian. Yours na to, 690, bebe. Kian, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na to, Kian. Oh, ang ganda. Branded by Country Road. Ito, mas bigger size. Branded by Country Road. This one is XL. Best fit large XL, ha. Country Road, again, linen. Ganda. Branded by Country Road. Tapos, double lining, pa-pop sleeves as well. Actually, hanggang large lang pala. Medium large. Okay, again, branded by Country Road. Code ako dito, linen 690. Linen 690. Double lining linen yan, ha. Branded by Country Road. Okay, next na white. Okay, next na white. This one is branded by F&F. Ito may double lining to, ha. May double lining to. Small, medium to, mga madam. Ganda rin. Okay, small, medium with inner lining. This one is branded by F&F. Again, F&F 690, code F, small, medium. Code ng F. Ay, may area ko, Krisha. Krisha bomb. Sara Araneta, yours na ma'am si linen. 690 lang. Uy, ano nyo yan? Ang tawag nito. Samantalahin nyo ito, Country Road 690 lang. Oh. Yours na to. New minor ba to? Si Araneta. Mahal, yours na to. Sara Araneta. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 yours na to. Okay siya, meron akong brand new earring. Diyos ko dahil, linen. Sinong may gusto? Okay, this one is brand new earring, small, medium. Murang-mura ko lang ibibigay with side pockets, bebe. Okay, best fit hanggang medium, brand new earring, mga madam. 980 lang. Magkano to, mga madam? 10K pataas. Okay, 980 linen, small, medium with side pockets. Zipper back, brand new earring. Kung ayaw nyo, itatabi natin yan. Yung eyelet, mahal. Ito yung eyelet. Large XL to. Ang ganda nito. Branded by Valley Girl. Size large on tag, pero carry to hanggang semi-XL. Eyelet siya na double lining, cotton yung tela. And then, zipper back. 690 lang to ha. Code ako eyelet. 690, code is eyelet. Midi, wala ko masyadong midi, mahal ha. Wala tayong masyadong midi. Okay, next. Oh my God. Okay, size ni Aerie, size 8 small med. Joy, kuhain mo yon. Kuhain mo si Aerie, brand nyo yun, Diyos mio. Okay, next, branded by Portmans, small med. Yes, available, KitKat, 780 lang to bakla. Size 10, this one is medium. Size 10 on tag, branded by Valley Girl, adjustable strap, zipper back. Okay, this one, branded by Portmans, up to size 28, zipper back ha, with belt, small, medium, mga madam, grabe, ang ganda ng Portmans. Okay, code ako ng mahal, 780 mahal, small, medium ha, code is mahal. Mga madam, ang mahal ng boxes ng Dubai ha, medyo may increase tayo ng very Okay, madam, Amy, Bahian, B, ang ganda nito, me, yours na to. Okay, 123, 690. Miss KitKat, yours na isuot ko. Ganda. Suot na Aerie me. Hindi na, dito pa. FM, 980 lang. Brand new. Code is mahal. Code ng mahal, 980 FM. Okay, KitKat, yours na to. Thank you so much. Napakaganda nito, Bia. Okay, yours na to, Miss KitKat. And then, mahal, FM, FM, 123. Yours na to, bebe. Oo, minor na yan si KitKat. DL, mahal, FM, yours na to, mahal. B, ang ganda. Small, medium, brand yun na Aerie. Diyos ko, di. Pwede mong to. Okay, yours na to, bebe. 718, yung suot ko. Okay, yours na to, Miha. 1,080, bebe. 123, FM. Hi, Madam Cindy. Ayan, yung minor, kindly send us your details, name, address, mobile number, and then, pag nakamine na, down payment, ha? Okay, next one. May Portmans ako, ayaw mo. Portman, 780. This one is small, medium, zipper back, FM. Napaka-nice. 780 lang. Okay, next one is this one, size large. Ang ganda. Branded ni Ali. Okay, ito yung mga pangmalakasan talaga B. Ang ganda. Oh. Full smock yung kanyang sleeves. This one is branded by Ali, size 12 po, ha? Okay, size 12. This one is size 12. Size large, mga madam. Button down to, ha? Button down, again, branded by Ali. Grabe, the quality is super duper nice. Okay, code ako purple, 780 lang to. Okay, code ng, anong tawag nito? Purple! Ayun!